Good morning, children. Welcome to English class of 3rd standard. Children, today we're going to see Term 3 English Unit 1 Prose The Coconut Grove. Children, in this lesson we are going to see about a little girl Inia who used to help her parents with a day-to-day work, and also she learned many uses about the coconut tree. She is Inia. Inia was a little girl with big brown eyes. She lived with her parents in a beautiful coconut grove next to a small blue lake. She helped her parents by the lake, went to school, and there spent time them only to wake up the next day. Each day she balanced a big empty basket on her head as she walked down to the lake. Her mother followed with the laundry, and her father brought the big fishing net. Her mother washed the cloth on a stone next to the lake. Her father went fishing. He dragged the net to the shore, and they collect the fish in a big basket. Dragged means pull something with difficulty. Sometimes a turtle got stuck in the net, but Inia always hurried to save it. Turtle means tortoise. One sunny morning, while fishing with her father, Inia said, "Appa, if we catch so many fish, what if one day there is no fish left?" Her mother laughed and sent her off to school. Under the shade of the trees, Inia's mother fell into an uneasy sleep. She dreamt of a lake with no fish in her dream. Every day, the father returns from the lake with no fish, and the family could not support itself. The wind said, "The water and the land have always taken care of your family, so you have to take care of them." She woke up with tears in her eyes. She don't know how to bring up Inia without selling enough fish. All afternoon she sat weaving coconut mat and thinking about her dream. That night Inia heard her parent whisper. Whisper means to speak very quietly to somebody. As the oil lamp burned deep into the night. The next morning her father gave her a small basket. "How can we carry all the fish inside little basket?" Inia asked. Father replied, "We will only take as many fish as will fit inside this basket." Inia was puzzled. Puzzled means not able to understand. "How will this be enough for us?" Inia wondered. Wondered means to want to know something. When she came back from school, she was happy to find her mother making soap and oil from the coconut. Inia quickly climbed up a tree to get more coconuts, but her mother said, "Don't pluck them. We must only use what the tree gives us." Her father said, "We have taken only fallen coconuts for making these things. Look, we have even made this soap with a jasmine flower inside." Inia learnt a lot about gardening and arts at school. When Inia grew older, she made coconut fiber packs that would be used to pot plants. She also loved to carve coconut. She made many toys and idols with fallen coconuts. Her favorite carve is tiny turtles out of the coconut shells. She always wore one around her neck. Look at this picture. Children, I hope you all understood this lesson. So, be like Inia and try to help your parents in their day-to-day work. And also, you would have learned many uses about the coconut tree in this lesson. Thank you, children. See you in next class.